Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, today we're visiting Swanley's water park, Swanley Park, which has a splash zone, swings and slides, Pedalos on a lake, lots of old traditional park stuff. So we're just going to have a wander around there and have a look what's here. It's a glorious day just outside of London. It's going to be one of the hottest days of the year, so we're going to be ready for all that water fun.
For 20 minutes, for 20 minutes we get the yacht life.
So this is a first for MGTracey. We're on a giant swan, pedalling away, looking for other giant swans to bump into. So you can pay by the app or you can bring some coins. It's £3 for 24 hours. And all the machines all seem to be working. This is the main car park. I have a feeling it's going to fill up early today. If you follow the directions, I'll put the link below on your sat nav, it will bring you to this car park. there's plenty of shade by the splash pool or elsewhere in the park. And I'm now just making my way back up to the car to get our picnic and towels. Now we've got our space by the pool for the day. And here the steam trains, both of them running behind us.